Imagine a cutting-edge SpaceX Starship booster, moments away from a historic flight, suddenly ripped apart during testing, leaving engineers scrambling, schedules in chaos, and Flight 12 hanging in uncertainty. What really happened to Booster 18 at Masseys? Stay tuned, because the details are shocking and could change everything we thought we knew about Starship S Block 3 era. Welcome back to AED. Today, we're rediving into the Booster 18 anomaly, an incident that has completely shaken the SpaceX program timeline. This isn't just a technical failure. It highlights engineering challenges, the dangers of COPV technology, and critical implications for Starship's upcoming missions. If you're a space tech or Starship fan, you'll want to pay close attention. Let's get started. Background: Booster 18 rolled out at Masseys on November 20th, 2025. This booster was preparing for cryogenic proof testing ahead of Flight 12, essentially testing whether tanks and COPVs can survive extreme cryogenic pressures. However, in the early hours of November 21st, during an ambient pressure test, the LOX tank ruptured, creating a massive hole in the structure. Normally, ambient pressure tests only use nitrogen and oxygen gas, so this rupture immediately shocked the engineering team. The anomaly damage photos suggest that a bottom seal, located at the base of a larger chine, may have exploded first. This triggered a chain reaction, blowing out the remaining COPVs in that chine and ultimately causing a major LOX tank rupture. Remarkably, the booster did not immediately tip over. It is currently held in place by the new LKH for transfer tube. SpaceX engineers now face a difficult choice: either safely collapse the booster and clear the debris, or stabilize it using the LR-111100 crane and then scrap it. Previous context: this isn't the first COPV-related failure SpaceX has faced. Only 5 months ago, Ship 36 was destroyed by a COPV explosion during a 6-engine static fire attempt on June 18, 2025. That incident is why Masseys is still being rebuilt today. There's also a possibility that a weld failure contributed to the rupture, but until SpaceX releases an official statement, everything remains speculation. Impact on Starship program currently: SpaceX has 0 completed flight boosters, meaning Flight 12 is now indefinitely delayed. The focus will shift to Booster 19, which hasn't even started stacking in Mega Bay 1. Even if stacking began immediately, the booster wouldn't be ready for cryogenic proof testing until at least the end of January 2026. This is a rough start for the Block 3 era. On the bright side, the anomaly occurred during proof testing, not during a full 33-engine static fire attempt on Pad 2, which could have caused catastrophic damage. Ship 39 and test tanks. Ship 39 has been stacked in Mega Bay 2, and outfitting will continue after November 15th, 2025. However, it won't be used for testing until Booster 19 is ready. Test tanks B18.1 and B18.3 are already at Masseys and have completed 17 combined cryogenic proof tests. These tanks are critical for validating the Block 3 booster's design and safety. Consequences and challenges: SpaceX currently has no booster available to commission Pad 2. This means that all tank farm equipment testing and vehicle loading verification will be delayed. Possible solutions include modifying B18.1 to fit in the launch mount for testing, salvaging the aft section of Booster 18, and attaching smaller test tanks. If no temporary solution is found, Flight 12 will remain delayed until Booster 19 is ready. This incident highlights more than just mechanical failure. It underscores the risks associated with COPV technology, weld quality, and the importance of cryogenic testing. For Block 3 boosters, engineers will need to double-check cope placement and tank integrity to prevent similar failures. Whatever solution SpaceX develops will impact both the program's timeline and overall reliability. Booster 18's rupture was not just a test failure. It is a major checkpoint for SpaceX's Block 3 program. Flight 12's delay, 0 ready boosters, and ongoing modifications highlight the complex engineering and high stakes of spaceflight. This incident is a reminder that every setback contains valuable lessons, and those lessons make future missions safer and more reliable. What do you think? Can SpaceX launch Flight 12 on schedule with Booster 19, or will delays continue? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this story informative and exciting, Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more space updates. Stay with us for every twist and turn in space exploration. Until next time, stay curious and keep looking up.